What draws you to wildlife and specifically birds?
I think the activity, there's a challenge there. It's peaceful. It's quiet. And I enjoy the solitude and being out here in nature.
All right, let's get in the van and go out to Maplewood State Park.
I keep the window down when driving around in places like Maplewood State Park because many times I can hear a certain bird before I see it. And yes. By gosh, she's got a little one. Oh, jeepers. Oh, jeepers. Come on out in the open now. That's a yellow warbler.
Yeah, back on the same.
Come out in the open, guy. Oh, is that nice to see a little one here? Oh, is that nice to see?
That's amazing. You're hand holding that. That's a huge lens.
Oh,
I should
yeah.
say. But it must be what 3 feet long almost. Let me.
Oh, yes, yes.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of people drive right by that. You know, it blends in